Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dazzles and Sizzles. So in our last video we started this topic, cooking mistakes everyone makes and how to fix them and how you can avoid them. So we're looking at 18 mistakes everyone make when cooking, and we started with 9 of them, ranging from not having a meal plan, you don't read the whole recipe before you start cooking, you don't rinse grains, not salting the food while cooking, using oil while boiling water for pasta, not washing vegetables, cooking vegetables with too much water, you don't allow meat rest after cooking, not waiting for the oil to heat up. So in today's video we'll proceed from where we stopped. Please do like this channel, subscribe, and yes, share with your friends. So let's go. The first one here, you overcrowd your pan. When people crowd the pan when cooking, this can result in food burn on the outside but raw on the inside. So how do you fix this? Give plenty of space between food items and cook in batches for best results. The 11th mistake, you turn too often. Many are often tempted to turn, poke, and flip food more often than necessary, and so the struggle with leaving food alone while it cooks. Now this results in food that lack proper browning. Now a very easy way to fix this is that you cook your food at the right temperature and wait until it releases itself before you turn it. The 12th mistake people often make while cooking, not using enough seasoning. People who do not use enough seasoning end up with food that tastes bland, and I know you wouldn't like that. So to fix this, make sure you add in adequate proportion salt, pepper, herbs, and spices to your dishes. The 13th mistake people often make, not washing your hands when handling ingredients. Cross-contamination is an unhealthy thing to do in the kitchen, as some food ingredients / produce that hasn't been washed may contain bacteria. So to fix this is easy. Always wash your hand when handling raw ingredients. The 4th mistake, you forget about carryover cooking. Now carryover cooking refers to the way the residual heat inside your food continues to cook it even after you have removed it from the surface. Now, even though it lasts for a few minutes, it can make or break certain foods. So how can you fix this? You remove food from the cooker just before it reaches the ideal temperature to keep it from overcooking it. Now, the 15th mistake people often make, serving food straight out of the pot. Now, when people serve food straight out of the pot, it can get messy. Now to fix this, transfer your food into a serving dish and set it at the table to enjoy your meal. The 16th mistake people often make, using metal utensil with non-stick pot or pan. Now this is a wrong thing to do. Metal utensils will scratch up your non-stick pot and pan and remove their non-stick properties. And once that happens, I want you to know that it is very, very disastrous to the earth. So to fix this, use wooden / silicone utensil with non-stick cookwares. The 17th mistake people often make, not taking care of good knives. Abuse and neglect of good knife is not really a good thing to do at all. So make sure to care for your good knives, wash and store them properly, and keep them sharpened. The 18th mistake people often make, keeping a dirty kitchen. A dirty kitchen will impair the functionality of your kitchen, resulting in contamination of food. Now to fix this, make sure your kitchen is clean always. Don't leave rubbish standing freely or leave counter space uncleaned. So I believe that this video has been able to provide some help to you. Now let's quickly run through them again. We started with, you overcrowd your pan, you turn too often, not using enough seasoning, not washing your hands when handling ingredients, you forget about carryover cooking, serving food straight out of the pot, using metal utensil with non-stick pots and pan, not taking care of good knives, keeping a dirty kitchen. So I believe this video has been helpful to you. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and yes, don't forget to share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.